Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to pull up your boot options, which you can do by pressing power button and volume up at the same time. There we go. And from the visible boot options, you want to hold power off. When you do hold it, it changes into this, reboot to safe mode, with a quick message. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. I'm going to click on OK. And while the device is rebooting, I'm going to quickly just give a little bit more explanation on that because that little pop-up wasn't very informative. So in safe mode, only the installed applications, the default ones that come straight out of the box, will work. Any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can run it. And this is designed for troubleshooting purposes. Sometimes you might have some kind of application that causes you problems. Maybe you can't uninstall it or whatever. It displays ads on a full screen. We have seen those in Play Store pretty often. So by booting it into safe mode, this application wouldn't be able to do anything, not even turn on, or display that bullshit ads or whatever it tries to. So you can get rid of it safely from there. And primarily, that's what this mode is used for. Other than that, it doesn't really have much of a daily usage application, as it removes any other application from being able to be used normally. So anyway, let's wait for this to boot up. There we go. Now you can see we do have a watermark right here, letting us know that we're in this safe mode. If you have some widgets, they will also be disabled right now. And you can see on the second page, I have a couple applications that will not work. So they become monochrome and semi-transparent, and those applications would be things like Firefox, Brave, and Zello. And even if I try to open them up, you can see I get this pop-up right here. Now other applications that aren't grayed out like this one, monochrome, so for instance Chrome, you can see it works just fine. Gemini even works fine. Not sure how that garbage is working fine in this mode, but hey, I guess Google wants to fork the hell out of their AI crap. So now these applications will only show up on your home screen right here, as well as if we go into the settings. So if you're trying to manage some of these applications, you would go to Settings, Apps, and then see all apps, and you should be able to locate them right here. Oh, there we go. So here we have the Firefox, for instance. What else was there? Firefox, there was Brave, and Zello. So Zello would be somewhere at the bottom, and Brave somewhere at the top, right? So you can get rid of them. Now, if there is more applications on your phone, for instance, that you'd have right here, but not on the home screen, they actually will not appear right here. So if you check it, Firefox, Brave, and all that isn't showing up right here. So it's only going to be visible in the app section in the settings or on your home screen. Other than that, app tray, not so much. Now, once you're done troubleshooting your device and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you need to do is just, again, press power button and volume up, and you're going to select restart. This will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it will automatically enter normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.